Hello everyone!
Hello everyone, my name's David.
And I'm Aaron.
We are
Adventures of David and Aaron.
And today is another Yum Box of the month, for the month of October. And the clue is the home of the world's longest railroad.
Which I never knew we actually had the longest railroad.
And then they stuck a little sticker on it.
Yeah.
So you open it up, and they give you all your facts from Russia.
Okay.
Then they give you the booklet, and Aaron, I'm going to let you find the page.
So let's see what we're at.
Where I'm going to start laying out some of the items.
They give you some menus to look at and whatnot. Alrighty, so.
What's the first item?
We have beautifully, deliciously good ripe pear milk chocolate.
There's what it looks like.
It says the Russian chocolate is full of beauty. Now we're not talking about the sleek wrapper or even the delicious looking chocolate inside. We're talking about the pear filling inside. You see, Russia is home to an extra sweet, highly sought after pear.
Okay.
So let's see.
Smells good.
Oh my gosh, it does smell good, guys.
Just one little piece.
I'll take a piece, why not? Oh my god.
So it has kind of a,
this is so good.
It has a creamy center, so when you bite into it, it kind of explodes with chocolate. This one's good. What's the next item?
Oh my god, that is so good, guys. The next one is the Savancy cheese potato chips.
Okay, here's the next item.
I'm sorry guys, I have to have that piece of chocolate.
I didn't think you like chocolate.
I don't, but this is so good.
Alright, so here's what these guys, what's the description of them? Here's what they look like.
Alright.
And there you go.
They are made with absurdly addictive Russian cheese. Sorry, that chocolate is so good.
Okay, good.
So time to try the devil's apple, which is in the chips. You know it's better as a potato. When the potatoes were imported from America in the 1700s, Russians gave them a sinful name due to the absence in the Bible. Their odd shape didn't help either. Little did they know that Tsar Nicholas, I would order potatoes plain in the 1850s, blah blah blah. And then it said from the potato dumplings to vodka to these crispy chips, so that's vodka to them, I guess.
Well, here, try those.
Yeah, let's see.
Good? It tastes like a regular potato chip.
Yeah, unfortunately, I like regular potato chip, but that's fine.
So what's the next item?
Okay. The boiled milk and chocolate cake, which might be this little one, I think.
Which one? What's it look like?
It doesn't give a picture.
Where's it at?
Right there, the boiled milk and chocolate cake.
Milk chocolate cake. I bet it is. I think it's this one. Yeah.
It might be that one.
It's this one.
Okay. Okay, the treat is called Alyanka. A popular Russian girl's name is the country's most famous by far, ever since it was first crafted in Moscow's Red October factory in the 1966. Since then, several local ladies have claimed to be the inspiration behind the title girl on the wrapper. So we'll see.
This is kind of like a wafer.
It's a rich wafer cake filled with another local favorite, which I cannot pronounce. A ridiculously creamy caramel made by boiled, sweetened condensed milk. So let's take a try.
Take a tear a piece off. That's good.
It tastes like, it's good. I'm not sure.
A lot of chocolate in this box. What's the next one?
Very sweet. The coconut and white chocolate hazelnut balls.
Inside of here.
I don't think so.
I think
No?
so. Yeah, go ahead and read.
Okay, it's another factoid.
Oh yeah, here we go. Look. You lose it?
Okay, take the city of Sochi. Look on the Black Sea coast. It's nicknamed the Russian Riviera because it's 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Summers, dolphins, coconut bearing palms, and coconut. The shredded coconut coated white chocolate. Whole coconut filled with your ticket to the Russian tropics. Let's try one.
Oh, okay. That's what they look like.
Oh, there you go.
These are good. A lot of chocolate. If you like chocolate.
Wow, very rich, very coconut. It's actually really good.
Now you can taste the coconut.
Wow. Oh, definitely. Really good.
Next.
This one I'm not too sure. Bolete mushroom bread bites.
Okay, it's so the package says mushroom. Oh, it's like a mushroom crouton.
Hold on.
So there's what it looks like. Yeah, it's a mushroom crouton.
It's Russia's most popular pastime. So much that most local 10 years old can easily distinguish edible vegetables like the prized bolete from poisonous ones, like the lethal death cap. But there was one thing Russians loved more than hunting for mushrooms, eating them. You can partake them with the crunchy, twice-baked rusks, complete with bolete mushroom seasoning. So we'll see.
You can put those on a salad. Yeah. Those are good.
I must say they're not much of a flavor, but they're good.
All right, next item.
The nut and milk chocolate wafer. It says this room takes us to Stary Oskal, the headquarters of the company that makes it in Slovakia.
Where's the picture of it? Is it this one? Excuse me.
Oh, you know what? There might have been that one.
It's a little confusing. Yeah, I think that one was that one. Okay, so let's go to... Sorry, guys.
I don't see that one.
That one's not on there. Okay, so let's try this
But
one.
there's always one that doesn't have it on there. So last time it was the same way.
This
Okay.
one is another... yeah, this one's not in there.
Okay.
So it looks like another type of chocolate bar. No, I have to get scissors.
Okay. Oh wow, it was very good. Like a wafer. Oh wow. Okay.
So, yeah, another chocolate wafer. That's what it looks like.
Okay. Let's try it.
Well, I know what it reminds me of.
Not much of a flavor. I'm sorry, but not much of a flavor.
Coconut flavor. It reminds me
I don't
of
taste the coconut, no.
Reminds me of those chocolate ho-hos as a kid. There was a lot of items in this box.
And that's a lot better than the last one, I have to say.
Yeah,
and what
I
is this
agree.
one?
How do you pronounce this?
God only knows, let me see.
This looks like a another form of a wafer bar.
Well, there's always some that don't tell the name of it, so it's kind of hard to tell.
I don't think it's in there. Yeah, sometimes we didn't have as many items, I don't think, in the last box.
Yeah, but they don't
But
give
on
a
this
name.
one, they're not listing the items.
Yeah, so not all the items, no.
Okay, so well,
So let's see what it is.
let me see what it looks like. It's like a wafer. It feels like it's going to be like a wafer chocolate bar.
Let's take a try.
But I agree, this box was a lot better.
Oh, then the one from Thailand, much better, guys.
Oh yeah, another wafer cookie.
Okay, so let's see what this one tastes like.
So there's what it looks like.
Let's take a try.
There you go.
All right, thank you. It tastes like the peanut butter nut cup. What I'm thinking of when I was a kid?
The Reese peanut butter cups?
No, it's like a wafer peanut butter cup. I don't know the name of it right now.
Yeah, there's like a creamy filling in the center of it.
Yeah, it's good.
So it's really good.
It's good.
Guys, that was this month's box from Russia. And we will see you in our next video. And remember,
Enjoy life, make it an adventure.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. This was really good, actually, David.